This meter is Janitza UMG103-CBM DIN rail mounted meter with inbuilt memory, RS485 Modbus inbuilt. This is very suitable for BMS, energy management, energy measurement, billing purposes also. This has inbuilt memory, RTC clock is available. Now I am going to tell about how these connections to be made along with your Gridways software, how to configure. You can see here, this is L1, L2, L3 voltage. This side is current terminal, you can connect. Here this is the RS485 Modbus connection. Here you can see how to set the device ID. This first one is into multiply by 1. This second one is multiply by 10. Now I set first one is 1 and second one is 0. That means the device ID is 1. If I want to change to 11, so using the screwdriver, just switch to 1 and 1. So now it is 1 in 10 and 1 in 1. So this device ID is 11. So now I want to change to 31 or 35. Now the device ID is 35. 3 is in the 10th and 1 in the 5. So the device ID is 35. Now I will connect this device to Gridways. So open your Gridways, right click, new, others, select DIN rail meter, select 103 CBM, okay. Next, so now I am going to connect to RS485 Modbus. My port is 7 and you can select highest baud rate. Now I set 35, right? So now I am entering device ID is 35, connection test. Once successfully connected, you will get the serial number and the hardware version, firmware version. That means the device is connected with your Gridways. Now select finish. Now in your Gridways 103 CBM, the device is added. Now the device is added, double click the device, you will get the home page. Now you can do synchronization to download the data to your computer. You can configure the device, because the device doesn't have any display, so you have to configure through Gridways only. Identify. Here the default factory identification, they are given the serial number. You can change it to your own device name, panel name, DB name, anything, transformer. Now default CT ratio is 5/5. You can select any CT ratio. And phase mapping. This phase mapping is helpful. Is there any disconnect, any mistake in the CT connection, CT installation, in and out, S1 and S2 is interchanged. You no need to rewiring again. You can simply open the software. You can select S1 to S2 automatically through the software. So then that will become normal connection. Nominal values are already set. When you are setting the CT ratio primary, let's say 500, so you have to select nominal value. Also here nominal current ED also you have to change it to a same as primary value 500. Then interval time already set. Recording configuration, by default voltage, current, active power, apparent power is there. Now second recording, consumed energy and inductive energy is there. Now I will change it to I will add some more parameter. So I am removing removing is possible, where you select and you can remove the values, you can add the values by here. So this I am removing. Now I am going to add energy. Consumed is already there. I am going to say add supplied energy. Click and drag it. Here L2 click, drag. L3 click and drag it to the area. Then total, right. And then I am adding active energy also. System total active energy also added. You like this, any parameter you can add. This meter has harmonics up to 40th order, so you can even add harmonics voltage, harmonics current also. Individual phase up to 40th is available. Now by default I am not adding. When customer required, you can add based on your application. Click OK. Here also click OK. Then you have to do the transmit, then the data will be transferred to the device. Now transmission successfully done, click OK. So the first memory, voltage, current, active power, all the parameters are there. Second memory, you have all the energies are recorded. Now the device is ready for installation. And then time configuration already there, value adjustment, comparator option available, serial port already we select Modbus slave, baud rate is auto select. By default I put auto select, one stop bit, serial port, drag indicator, A1M, input output also you can connect it. This is the configuration of UMG103 CBM.